Hello viewers, I'm happy being here. In this video, I'm gonna discuss on the coding editors which we would like using for personal programming or as a professional or a student. We often tend to search a lot at the initial stages of learning from which language to learn and what would be the best suitable IDE for it. Here is the one-stop solution for your finding the right IDE or the code editor as per your requirement. Here I'm gonna give you a few suggestions that help you explore different editors to find the tools that best suit your workflow and objectives. First one to start with is, as all you guessed already, it's Microsoft Visual Studio Code. It released on 2015, completely free and open source, and it has gained immense popularity among developers due to its flexibility, performance, and rich ecosystem for the extensions. Some features to highlight are it has multiple language extensions, so you can make use of the same code editor for multiple languages, and also in parallel you can code and debug. There is a inbuilt git integration as well, and you can come across other many features as you explore. So coming to the second in the list, it's Atom. Initially it was built by GitHub. Few years back GitHub acquired by Microsoft, so it is owned by Microsoft now. It's open source, it's highly customizable and have appealing and sleek user interface. Just a geeky information, user can not only use the existing themes but can create their own, tailor the look and the feel of the Atom to their preferences. Moving on to the third one, Sublime Text. It's available in both free and paid versions. Talking about college student and those who wanted to use the free resource would have better for the free version. It gives the speed and simplicity that fits in. Sublime is also known for its good UI, and in hand, it allows the functioning of the abundance of the keyboard shortcuts that eventually help us to code faster and better productivity. So the paid version, it has a pretty much very huge number of plugin that the Visual Studio Code provides, but it's much more faster than the Visual Code and Atom. Moving on to the industry favorites, we have Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. These go hand in hand. Eclipse being the open source and IntelliJ IDEA, a commercial product of JetBrains, are top choices of 90% of the corporate companies. While Eclipse handles larger projects faster, IntelliJ IT shines when it comes to the existing project, offering smoother performance. Experience this, both of these have a pretty much good weightage in the market too. At last, we have this outdated Turbo C++. To our surprise, yeah, it's still alive despite its age and being considered outdated by modern standard. It continued usage of its certain educational settings. So to conclude, no matter how many new editors come in the market, it depends upon the individual's idea, how they're gonna use an IDE. Choice of code editor or IDE ultimately depends upon individual preferences, project requirement, and organizational standard. Don't hesitate to explore different editors to find the best suited tool for you and the workflow and the objectives you have. And be sure to let us know your favorite code editors and any additional recommendations you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy learning.